What is the significance of having good intentions and reflecting before speaking? Man samata naja. I've got a strange feeling of deja vu. No, I said this last week. So, good intentions, as I said earlier, Allah wants us to be like the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam because he's the perfect human being. His conduct, his way, his character was all sincere and genuine. When he went to help someone, when he gave someone some money, or he tried to bring someone out of disbelief into belief, all of this was done because he had genuine love, care, compassion, and care, for people, just wanting the best for them. لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. None of you has perfect faith until he loves for his brother in humanity what he loves for himself. So just like you wouldn't want to go to the hellfire, you wouldn't want, some person who doesn't know about the truth of God and the akhirah, to go to the hellfire. So you'd want them to learn the message, these sorts of things. So having true and sincere intentions is what makes a person like the Prophet in this regard. So you can do good things to people, but if there's no sincere intention to please Allah, it's just like, you're scratching your head. You're not really rewarded for it. Right? I mean, maybe there could be some way of intending something to get a reward for it, but generally, actions. If you just sat there and you're just moving your hands about, there's no reward for that because there's no particular benefit to it, right? If you could find the intention, then great. So that's the same with an action that's not done for the sake of Allah, and or even actions that are done, but it's fake. Allah wants, if you do a good action just for the reward, you will be rewarded. If you say, "Oh Allah, I'm doing it just so you reward me," you will be rewarded. But there's a deeper level of embodying the traits of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so you can be that kind of person who wants to do this, who loves for people what he loves for himself, and then doing something to please Allah with that quality brings about much more, right? So this is the way it should be done, and Allah knows best.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله